Hi guys, so here we are. We're in the back office of the blog again, and we're focusing now on the posts and the articles, or what you would view as the yellow side of the Pefect wheel. So let me click into posts, and what I want to do is I just want to show you how I'm going to create the link back to the main site. I'm going to do it on this one page. I've actually already done it on the other pages, but just let me show you how that works. So I'm just going to click on edit, and we'll open the post up. I'm just going to go to the visual editor, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my main keyword, which is abdominal exercises. I'm going to click on link, and I'm just going to insert the URL. So it's www. websitetestcenter.com/ and my main keyword, abdominal exercises, and I'll add the link, and there you see the link. Let's just update it to make sure it's saved. And let's go and view the post just to make sure that the link is there. Okay, and you'll see my article, and you'll see the keyword there, abdominal exercises. So as I said, I've done that for each post. Let me just actually show you that. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and I'll click on the posts again. Let's just look at this one. I'll just view that, and if we come down, and you'll see here that I've linked again using the main keyword. So you have to do that in each of your posts or articles. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now the other thing we need to do, we need to also link between each of the posts. So the way we do that is by creating a link which either links to the next article or to the previous article. So let me show you how that's done. Again, I've already done some work on this, so I'm going to go into this one. 1 second. So I'm going to go into this one. That's flat stomach exercises, and if I come down, and what you'll see here is that I've got next article and previous article. So what I want to do is I want to grab the links to the page that has the next article and the page that has the previous article. So let's go and do that. So the next article would be this one. So let's just view the page. We're going to grab the link of that page, so I'm going to highlight that, I'm going to copy it, go back to the dashboard, go to posts, go to the post here, the second post, which is where I want to put the link, and I just click on edit. So the next article. So what I want to do is I want to put the link in, the text link in for this one. So it's how to get a flat stomach fast. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to click on the link icon, and I'm going to paste in the URL. And I'll add the link, and there you go, there's the link there. Let's go back to our posts, and we're going to find the previous article, which is the very first article. I need to just update. Okay, that's saved. Let's go back to posts. I need to grab the link of this page, abdominal exercises, so I'm going to click on view. So let me grab the link, I'll copy that, we'll go back to the dashboard, back to posts, and we'll open up flat stomach exercises, which is the one that we're editing. Okay, I'm going to just come down, and I need to put my text in. Which is abdominal exercises. I'm going to highlight that, click on the link, and paste in the URL. And there we go. And I'm just going to center these. So I'm going to click on them, highlight them, and just click on that. And that puts them in the center. We'll click update to save it. Okay, that's saved. So let's go and view the post. And there you have the links. So we've got our next article link and our previous article link. Let's just make sure that that works. So this should link to how to get a flat stomach fast. Let's see if that's worked. Yep, we have that. This one will allow us to go back to flat stomach exercises, as you see. And then let's now just make sure that the previous article is available, so abdominal exercises. So I'm going to click on that. It takes me to the page, and there we've got the interlinking. So you can see that when you have the next and the previous article, it creates that linking between all of your posts and articles. So hopefully that's pretty clear for you. Just a couple of other things that I want to show you. So basically, I'm going to go back to the dashboard now, and let's click on posts, and I want to go to my main sales article. Just taking a bit of time. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one here. If I just scroll down, and you'll see here that what I've done with this particular article, I've actually added an image, and basically the image is a clickable link through to the affiliate offer. So it's very simple to do. Let me actually just show you how to do that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to actually do something here on the sales article. I want to add an image and just show you how to do that, and also I'm going to add the affiliate link to the image of the product. So I want to put my image here. So I'm going to scroll up a little bit. I'm just going to click on the image icon, and I'm going to select the file from my computer, and it's this one that I'm looking for, so I'll just click that. Okay, so the image is uploaded. I'm just going to change the title to abdominal exercises. I'm also going to make the alt text the same. And I wanted to left align, which it's got set there at the moment, and I'm just going to make sure I've got the correct link URL. I'm going to paste that in now, and that's my code, and I'm going to insert it into the post. And there you go. So I've basically got my my sales article. Okay, the content is not exactly what you're going to be using, but it's just to give you an example of how that works. So I'm going to click update and save that. And we'll just go and view the post just to see what it looks like. And there we are, there's the main post. You see the image there. Now if I click on this, what's going to happen is it would normally go through to the affiliate product, but because it's geo-targeted, you'll see what happens. Offers not available in my country as I'm based in Poland, so of course we're aiming at the US market. But anyway, that's just to give you an example, and basically that shows you the perfect wheel. So let's just go over to the site. I'm going to go to home. So we're on the main site, and really just to recap, so on the green side we've got our pages: about, contact me, privacy policy, compensation disclaimer, and sitemap, and of course they all interlink. And on the left side, on the yellow side, we've got our posts or our articles, and here they are. So we've basically got our main keyword in each article. Let me just show you that. The next article, stomach exercises for women, main keyword linking back to the site. How to get a flat stomach fast, main keyword going back to the main site. Flat stomach exercises, again the main keyword going back to the main site. And then our first article, abdominal exercises, again with the main keyword going back to the main site. One thing I've just noticed, and you've probably noticed it as well, I've made a mistake there. I haven't actually made this a clickable link, so I will do that. But let's go back up to the top. I just want to click through and show you how the articles interlink. So we've basically got on the last article this link, and that will go to the previous page. If we come down, we can either go back to the page that we've just come from or go to the previous article. So let me do that just to show you that it works and that we've got the linking structure correct. There we go. Let's go down again. So we can either go back to the article or we can come to the previous article. Let's do that. So we're now at flat stomach exercises, and we can either go to the next article or we can go to the previous article. So we'll go to the previous article. And there you have it. And that's basically how the perfect wheel works. So you're interlinking everything together. One thing that we haven't done actually, I've just realised I've made a mistake. It's quite important. Let's go back to the dashboard. I need to go to posts. And the one thing that I didn't do in my first article, I didn't link, as the diagram says, to the About Me page. So let me do that now. And let me just do that very quickly. So I'm just going to type in here, learn more about Ed. So I'm going to just highlight the word about. I'm going to create the link. Type in the URL. This just goes to show you that you have to check and double check to make sure that you've got all of these links in place, because I've nearly missed that one. /about. I'll add the link. Okay, you've got it there. Let's update that. Okay, and let's view the post just to check that that link works. I want to make sure that we've got everything right. And I'll click on About, and that should take me to the About Me page. And it does. So there you go. So make sure you you go through your linking strategy and make sure that you check everything before putting stuff live. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a pleasure for me to make it, and if there's any more that you'd like to see, if you're having any problems with GD2 or can't understand any of the PDF instructions, just let Precious know, and we'll try and basically help you out with that. Just one other thing, I've written a report which is a WordPress report probably about 18 months ago now, and it's 105 pages, and it's full of screenshots showing how to set up WordPress and how to use it and how to set up different plugins. So for many of you it's probably not useful. I think you're probably sort of more at an intermediate level, but if there is anyone who wants that, just contact Precious, and I'm more than happy to give you the link to that. You don't have to sign up to anything. It's just something I can do for you guys to help out. Anyway, look, good luck everyone with GD2. I'm really looking forward to it, and again, hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck. Cheers now.